Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, McArthur Industries Group. So what we're going to do here today is have a little bit of a Sandgate Auto Electrics and Automotive and also all brand Caravan services. So both our companies have helped this client over many years, and also we'd have to say Peter Birkbeck, who this client's car is, has also helped me over many years gain control of my company. So some of the things he's done for me is used today, and some of the processes he's helped me with has made a big difference to our company. So we thank him for his years of services and custom. So as you can see, lovely vehicle, lovely towing rig. He's worked himself up to where he's got this towing rig. He's worked with Concept Canopies. They've just done a fantastic fit out in the rear, as they always do. They do a great job, which we with our clients, we like to see them move forward with that there. So we've gone through and done a fair bit of wiring as well on this car and a few bit of setups and stuff like that. So when we go through that, we work with our clients. We want to make sure, especially when you've got these fine touring rigs, where we get to the client to make sure they're getting exactly what they need out of this vehicle, from city life to country life to where they can use it. So making sure they've got the opportunity to go through and find things that are sort of more well tuned than just in the normal space, because they want to be able to use this when they're out camping, but also back in the city life. So these sort of vehicles here, as everyone says, they're too big. They're made, they're done for a main reason, for his towing side of things. But once you get used to them, they're a fantastic vehicle. Got everything you need inside them, and a beautiful car. So guys, if you need any of these sort of rigs fitted out, come down and see us. You can work with us, something we do regularly, and make sure we can get it sorted for you. Any conversations you want to start, put down in the comments below. But thanks Pete, thanks for everything you've done for us over the years, and mate, it's credit to you what you've got here, mate. Have a good day. Speak to you soon. Bye.